Okay. Uh, Welcome back. Good morning. 10th B, Science 1, chapter number 2. And at the end, another one motivational story. If because of that reason I can gather the crowd, that is my duty. Student take a maximum benefit whatever I have spent for you people only, because outsider are taking lots of benefit. Around 500 students are in my contact. They are also learning online with me, but it is my duty to give you the best for my school, St. Lawrence, for my kids, for my son and daughters. So approach your friends to join and join I want all 74 to 74, all students. Now, okay, so in the beginning we have start with classification. First we have classified on the base of metal and non-metal, and wait for 1 minute automatically, because from here signal is maximum. In first lecture some points from that I want to recall some points. Classification, main point, classification. In that we do classification on main two different base: similarity, dissimilarity. If it is similar, then go to A. If it is dissimilar from A, go to B. So if it is similar, if there is a similar thing, similarity, it goes in same group. If there is a difference, it goes in different group. Then first classification, wait, from here my side signal is 100%. You wait for few seconds, automatically network will be stable. So first classification, it is in two group. First classification, metal and non-metal. Scientists have not given base definition, not given, but it is failed. That is given. Why it is failed? Because there are some element with both the property, metals and non-metals, that is a metalloid, half metal, semi-metal. These are the same word, equivalent word. The element which possess the property of metal and non-metal, both are said to be metalloid. So it is failed, that fully not classified into two groups. There are some elements which are not suit into group A or group B. Then second, Dobbe-Reinhardt triad. Very best example I have given, Li-Na-Ki. Lithium, sodium, potassium. 7, 39, total is 46. Divide by 2, that is 23. So, what is the definition? Set of three elements having the same chemical property are arranged in increasing order of atomic mass. These are atomic mass: lithium 7, sodium 39, lithium 7, potassium 39, sodium 23. So the atomic mass of middle element is the same as the average of rest of two. first plus second divided by 2, that is equal to middle way. First plus third divided by 2 it is equal to middle. That, and then we have this was failed because for higher to higher element that average difference goes on increasing, so that also failed. Then Mendeleev's periodic table. The property of the element or the periodic function of its atomic mass, means physical and chemical properties are dependent on atomic mass. So you arrange in increasing order of atomic mass. Then we have seen Newland's octave also we have done. Newland's octave, what they have done, as per the sur of the Sangeet, sa re ga ma pa dha ni, sa again it is repeated as a 8th one, repeated as a 7th one. So arrange all the elements in the increasing number of atomic mass. At that time the atomic mass of the chemical property of first and the chemical property of 8 are equal. Then up to that we have done. Now demerits of Mendeleev periodic table. This is very important. What are the demerits of Mendeleev periodic table? He has arranged the element in increasing order of atomic mass, but cobalt is placed first before nickel. So it was not in increasing order, it was in decreasing order. But to get the same chemical property, one under another, it arranged like this. Isotopes. When we will get isotopes, X, A to Z. A means what? Proton plus neutron. Z means what? Either proton, either electron number. So in this P plus N, if the number of neutrons change but the element remains same, hydrogen, deuterium, tritium, hydrogen, deuterium, tritium, all three are hydrogen element. So all Z is equal to 1 1 1. It is 1 2 3. Means 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2. These are proton, these are neutron, and these are electron. One proton, one electron, that is common, but no neutron, one neutron, two neutrons. So atomic mass will be 1, 2 and 3. Three different atomic mass. So it goes in three different groups, but all three have the same chemical property, all three are of same element. So like that, isotopes having the different atomic mass goes in different group, but they are of same chemical property. First, cobalt placed in front of nickel, before nickel, but it is decreasing order. They have to arrange in increasing order. First drawback. Second, isotopes. In isotopes, neutrons are different, so atomic mass are different, so it goes in different group, but it has same chemical property. Now what is found that in same group the element having same chemical property, but in some group two elements are having different chemical properties, and two different group, as per the rule, chemical property should be differ, but there they got same chemical property. So in same group, two elements with different chemical property, in two different group they are finding same chemical property. So these are also the drawback. Hydrogen, the atomic structure or the electronic distribution according to the configuration, outermost it is one electron, it will accept one or share one. So it is like halogen, because all halogen will accept one electron, because 7 electron in the outermost orbit. So they are like halogen only, but not placed into the same group, in a different group. Halogen property same as the hydrogen group. Hydrogen group have the same property as the halogen, but both are in a two different group. Then at the end, MPT. MPT, modern periodic table. What is the meaning of modern periodic table? Three different words I want to explain. M for modern means the latest. After that, new one is not found. So latest, that is a modern. What we are using at present in the chemical laboratory, in college, in school. So that is MPT, modern table. Highly modified, latest modified. Modern. Periodic means on a regular interval of time, 1 to 18 groups are there. At the regular interval of time, zigzag, 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 when elements are arranged, so one under another, one under another, one under another, having the same chemical property. Modern. Then periodic. Periodic means after a regular interval of time which is repeating. Then table, you should know what is the table. It is a special arrangement in a row and column, that is known as table. So modern periodic table. Who have given this scientist name? Particularly they ask in MCQ. One word to complete the sentence in that. So Henry Moseley have given this MPT, modern periodic table, discovered by Henry Moseley. Before MPT, all the classification were based on atomic mass. This is based on atomic number. Atomic number means Z. Means in increasing of atomic number means in increasing of atomic, in increasing of electron. Number of electron in 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron, 4 electron, 5 electron, like that, 18 electron, then 19, 20, like that. And electron number, it is the atomic number. So first meaning of MPT, full form of MPT. Second, next point, meaning of all three, modern periodic table. Next, who have given this table? Who discovered? Henry Moseley. Next, any new idea based on particular concept. So this table based on what? What is the different? How it is different from past, which are failure? Dauber-Reynolds, Mendeleev, Newlands, McLennan, MacLeod, how it is different? They all are based on atomic mass. This is only is based on atomic number. Henry Moseley, based on atomic number, arrange the elements. Now, how many rows, how many columns? Columns means group. There are 18 groups. Row, there are 7 rows. Every group start with 1 electron in the outermost orbit, complete with 8 electron in the outermost orbit. On the left, start from metal. Slowly metal character goes decreasing, non-metal character goes on increasing. At the end, neutral, noble, inert, same word again, like metal, like metalloid, metalloid, semi-metal, half metal, like that. Here the same number, same name. Inert gas, inactive gas, noble gas, 0 group, 8 group, 18 group, because their outermost orbit are complete with 8 electrons, octave is complete, so they cannot give the electron, they cannot take the electron, they cannot share the electron, so they cannot take part in the chemical reaction. So they are said to be neutral, noble, inactive, irreactive, not taking part into chemical reaction. So property of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. In rest of the definition, the properties of the element are the periodic function of their atomic mass. For rest of here, mass word you have to change and to write atomic number. It is a long form of periodic table. This is also one simple basic give reason question. Why it is a long form? Because till now, which are the elements already discovered, occupied in that table? The maximum compared to rest of the table, in this table, maximum elements are occupied. That is why it is a long form. Structure of the modern periodic table. Structure: vertical column, that are group, 18 group. Horizontal row, there are 7 row, that you have to remember. Modern periodic table and electronic configurations. Every period start with 1 electron in the outermost orbit and increasing 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron, 4 electron, 5 electron. In group, from top to bottom, number of orbit goes on increasing. Group and electronic configurations. For a particular group, suppose it is third group, so all the elements having 3 electrons in outermost orbit. So the group number shows the electron present in the outermost orbit. Hello. Next, period and electronic configurations, group and electronic configurations. Two things. See, just try to find. Suppose it is a third group. So here 3 electrons. Then next orbit 3 electrons. Next orbit 3 electrons. Third group means in all outermost orbit you will find same number as a group number, outermost electron. First or second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit. Number of orbit goes on increasing, but the outermost electron possessing number are the same. And from this, Here it will be the same. 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron. Group wise number of electron in the outermost orbit will be the same, but period wise, here orbit number change, but electron in the outermost will be the same. Here orbit will not change, number of electron goes on increasing. Suppose second, first orbit always contain 2, not more than 2. Third, 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron. So left to right, electron in the outermost goes on increasing. So 1, 2, 3. So again 3. Again 1, 2, 3. So again 3. 1, 2, 3. Again 3. So if group number of orbit increase, outermost electron number same. Period wise, number of orbit will not increase, but the electron in the outermost orbit goes to increase. So that is a period wise and group wise electronic configurance. Electronic configurance, that is a common word. If period wise, then left to right. If it is group wise, top to bottom. Top to bottom orbit increase, number of electron outermost will not increase. Period wise, left to right, number of electron goes on increasing. Then very important, classification of the MPT on electronic configurance. Groups and electronic configurance. MPT. S, P, D, F. Position. Left side, right side, middle, bottom. Number 1 to 13 to 18, group number 3 to 12 in between. Lanthanide, actinide. Orbit incomplete. 1, 0 or 1, 2, 3. General name. Metal, non-metal, inert, transonic, inert, transonic. Valency, this is very important topic. 16 point covered. Two type of question, 101% they'll ask from this chapter, from this topic. classification of modern periodic table on the electronic configurance. So there are four groups: S, P, D, F, and on 4 point we are doing 1, 2, 3, 4. So about any group they will ask. So you can write 4 point. Any group 4 point. Any group 4 point. Between any two group you have to write the distinguish. Again 4. So two question. Distinguish between any two group. To write the things for a single group. 4 point you have to remember. 4 group. 4 points. 4 the 16 points. Very easily you can mug up in this textbook. 2 pages they have given. So very easily you can remember. The name of that 4 group is SPDF. Only single alphabet. SPDF. Name of 4 group of modern periodic table which are divided on electronic configuration. Remember on which base? Electronic configuration. SPDF. So first common point for all, position. Where S group in modern periodic table? You'll see there are different colors given. Purple, blue, yellow. Left, SPDF. Left, S always on left. P extreme right. Middle part, D, and bottom they have given 2 columns. Left, right, middle, bottom. Where is the position? Now as per the position, what are the numbers? What are the numbers? S, group number 1 and 2 only out of 18, first and second. Right side. From 13 to 18. 13 to 18, no, it is 218. 13 to 18. In between, middle, means 2. 1, 2. Here, 13 to 18. So, which are remain? 3, 12. 13 to 12. And this is bottom, length, L for lengthened, A for actinide. Lengthened, actinide, 2 series, 2 different series. Orbit, incomplete. In this group, 1 orbit incomplete. Right side, 1 or 0 because inert is there, no? 0 incomplete, octet complete. So 1 incomplete, 1 or 2 incomplete. Sorry, 0 or 1 incomplete, 2 incomplete, 3 incomplete. Common name given, specific group of the element that is given SPDF. S, in S, all metals are there. In P, right hand side, non-metal and inert gas, noble gas, inert gas, reacting. Metal, non-metal, with non-metal at the end, because 18 is also there, no? 18. Inert gas. Middle, that is transgenic element, 2 orbit incomplete. And bottom, lengthened actinide. Inner transgenic element, 3 orbits incomplete. 1 orbit incomplete, 2 orbit incomplete, 3 orbit incomplete. So for any group you can write 4 point. Position, where it is, left side, right side, middle, bottom. Group number 1 to 13 to 18, middle 3 to 12, lengthened actinide. How much orbit incomplete? 1 only incomplete. 0 or 1. Why 0? Because it is this inert gases. 2 orbit incomplete, 3 orbit incomplete. Left side metal, right side non-metal and inert. and middle one is transonic element. These are the common name of this element. Fourth group is inner metal, non-metal, transonic, inner transonic, and with non-metal inert are included. Next, atomic size. This topic is very important, and 101% they will ask in SSC. When I said 101 means 101 compulsory question. Atomic size. Group wise, period wise. Group wise means top to bottom. Period wise means left and right. Very first of all, what is a atomic radius? What is a atomic radius? Atom is made up of two parts, intranuclear, extranuclear. So intranuclear, internal part, this is proton, neutron, this is electron. For size of sphere, we need a radius of that sphere. So first, radius of atom, R of atom. Radius of atom is what? This is nucleus, this is orbit. Center of the nucleus to the outermost orbit. The distance between the center of the atom, center of the nucleus to the outermost orbit, that distance is known as radius. More the radius, more the size. Less the radius, less the size. Less radius, small volume. More radius, more volume. Simple, it is mathematical, practical. Now, group wise, period wise, very nicely, very depending points you have to describe. From this, number of orbit goes on increasing. 1 orbit, 2 orbit, 3 orbit, 4 orbit. So radius goes on increasing, less to more. Radius increase, so size also goes less to more. Now see, very intelligently you have to describe group wise atomic size. Atomic size group wise. So group wise or period wise, first you have to describe what is the atomic radii. What is the atomic radii? The distance from the center of the nuclei to the outermost orbit, that is the radii. More the radii, more the volume, less the radii, less the volume. First we will discuss group wise. Group wise, top to bottom. Group wise always top to bottom. Period wise always left to right. In group top to bottom. In group top to bottom, number of orbit increase. Depending. Group wise top to bottom, orbit goes on increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Orbit goes on increasing. Top to bottom, orbit increasing, number of orbit. So the radius increase, so the size increase. this sequence in group top to bottom, radius in top to bottom, orbit increase, radius increase, so volume increase. Group top to bottom, orbit number increase, circle increase, radius increase, volume increase. Same period wise. Left to right. Orbit will not increase now. Electron will increase. Increase. Electron increase, so attraction increase. Attraction also increase. So radius goes on decreasing. So the volume goes on decreasing. Size. If you will go up to down, volume increase. In period left to right, volume decrease. Period wise, left to right, orbit will not change. Electron number goes on increasing. 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron, 4, 5, 6. So when the number of electron increase, no, its attraction power to the center, to the neutron, to the proton will increase. It increase, so it becomes squeeze. So electron increase, attraction increase, radius decrease, volume decrease. Volume or size you can write. Period wise top to bottom increase. Group wise top to bottom increase. Period wise left to right decrease. How that dependent you have to write. This topic is very important, 101% they will ask, that is my guarantee. Metallic character. Same, left side metal, right side non-metal. So metallic character goes on decreasing, non-metallic character goes on increasing, because left side strongly metal, right side strongly non-metal. So metallic character goes on decreasing, non-metallic character goes on increasing. Then metallic character, then non-metallic character. Non-metallic character goes on increasing, metallic character goes on decreasing. Period wise. Now group wise also the same. Metallic character decreasing, non-metallic character increasing. Halogen family, that we have to learn separate. Fluorine, bromine, iodine. This is gas, this is liquid, this is solid. Outermost electron all have 7. Valency all have 1. Reactive, more, middle, less. Reactivity goes on decreasing. Same to same. This is also same to same. State. Halogen family. Halogen family means 7th A group. They can ask 7th A or 17th A group. Halogen means 7A group, 17A group. 7th A means 7 electron in the outer, because the number of the group is number of electron present in the outermost orbit. Halogen. Halogen means 7th A group element. These are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Now speciality we have to write. Fluorine, chlorine are gas. Bromine is only non-metal liquid. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Iodine is a solid. Gas, liquid, solid. gas, liquid, solid. So gas to solid, so volume goes on increasing. Fluorine, chlorine, small. Bromine, middle. Iodine, atom, biggest. So top to bottom, it increase. Here we have shown. In all halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, all have 7 electrons in the outermost orbit. If 7 electrons are there in the outermost orbit, one electron they will take to become negative ion. So valence is 1. Valence electron is 7 because the number of electron present. So state gas, liquid, solid. Outermost electron present, all have 7 electron into the outermost orbit. All valence is 1 because all have 7 to complete octet, all will accept 1. And reaction, gas react very fast. So fluorine, chlorine, highly reactive. Then bromine, liquid, medium reactive. Iodine, very less reactive. So when volume goes on increasing, reactivity goes on decreasing. You know that powder can mix fast. So these are the balance part that you have to be very careful. So halogen, and that previously I told no size, very important. And now again in the last paragraph they have given metalloid, the element which have the property of both metal and non-metal are known as metalloid, semi-metal, half metal, same definition. When you separate the metal, you separate non-metal, remaining elements when you will join with the pencil, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, you will find zigzag line. So left side metal, right side non-metal, which are having the both the property. If you will join, it will be not a straight line, horizontal or vertical, it is both. So zigzag line, that is why it is known as zigzag line. And zigzag line, these are metalloid. Silicon, arsenic, germanium, gallium, these all are metalloid. Examples are very important. Which element have 1 electron into the outermost? Lithium, sodium, potassium. Which are the definition of Dabrowski, lithium, sodium, potassium? Which are inert gas? Helium, neon, krypton, argon, Zn. Which are the halogen example? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Which are the example of metalloid? Arsenic, silicon, germanium, gallium. Like that we have to give the example, and one question of example will definitely come, or odd man out. So if you know the elements property, from that only way you can pick up from metal, non-metal, from all non-metal, metal, from all halogen to non-halogen, from all metalloid to non-metalloid, like that. So here I have completed this, and I will send you the question answer, and next time we will start with chapter number 3. Why compared to this 50% only attendance is there? Very bad. Try to join your friends, okay? Thus close the meeting. And change your DP, change your name, so automatically attendance will be deal, okay? No problem.